In this video, I will show you how to show FPS counter in Steam. It should be a quick and easy process to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So to do this, as you can see, we're currently here on Steam. I'm currently here logged into my account. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is come up to the top left-hand corner and click on Steam just up here to bring up this menu. Next, what you want to do is come down and click on Settings, and that's going to go ahead and open up your settings window. From here, come across this menu on the left-hand side, and you want to find the in-game option. So you can see that's just here. Go ahead, give that a click, and you'll be taken to a screen like this. Now, on here, you're going to see a bit down the page. There's an option for an in-game FPS counter. So you can see this is currently toggled off. All you need to do is click onto the drop-down box and select one of the options where you want the FPS counters to be displayed. So whether that's like the top left, the top right, or bottom left hand corner. Now there is a option here as well which says in-game FPS counter high contrast color. If you actually turn this on, then the counter is going to display in like a green color, which makes it easier to see. But that is how to show FPS counter in Steam. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.